COVID-19 has changed our life in many fronts, and there are so many new normals. One of them is wearing a mask. It's not only for people who are frontline worker, for everyone. Wearing a mask obviously has an important impact, so we will end up wearing this mask perhaps several hours a day. It looks comfortable for first perhaps couple of hours, but later on you feel a little bit of pain and pinch behind your ear. That was the comment I got from many nurses. You're wearing it for 15 hours in a row, you start to get headache. And that was the motivation behind the device I invented. It wasn't overnight, so it took quite a while. We went through 4 generations. We started from the very basic ones. It was working mostly for female nurses. It has a kind of loop, even you can put your hair behind. It could go in the back of your head or on top of your head. A little bulky. I got few feedback saying that I wish it was a smaller. And most of the male nurses are saying that it's not going to work because it falls off, especially if they have short hair. Then we went to the next generation, which was this one. Looks like actually COVID-19 virus. It was better, especially I got lots of good feedback from male nurses, but it still got a couple of issues, including when you put it in the back of your neck. So when you want to kind of pinch your neck, it will become uncomfortable. And when to the 3rd generation, it has quite a bit of complexity. It's very ergonomic. It's very flexible. And again, we gave it to lots of people. We collected the feedback, and it led to the last and final generation. The size, it's good that fit a child, a toddler, up to a person with a large size head. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 settings. And there are at least 3 ways to wearing this. Easiest one for especially people that, they have a short hair is the back of your neck. So simply and I'm gonna turn around and I can show you. So you simply put this in the proper location, and there we go. So when I go back here, maybe slowly, so you can see it's very comfortable. You can move easily back, forth, and maybe for the first time you need to ask someone to adjust it. So for me, this is pretty comfortable. The next way of wearing it is you wear it simply in the back of your head. So again, depends on where you want it. I put it in the first set here. So you may use a body system to check it for you. It can go a little further up here, and it still is comfortable. It stays there. Let's just get to this position. It's very comfortable right there. It stays there. Or you can have it on the top of your head, especially for ladies with ponytail. That's easy. So you go completely on top of your head. And you adjust it. So just like this. It's very comfortable. Again, it does not prevent you from moving. Even go much higher. You can see that there's much room for it. So this was the actual incentives behind it. I'm really hoping, I've been printing this on my 3D printers as many as I can, and I gave it to frontline health workers. They all really appreciate it. So I wish I could print millions of them, but of course it's not very feasible printing it. So the proper way of manufacturing this is injected molding, which I designed a 3-piece movable injected molding system. And this was my little contribution to mask the pain of wearing a face mask.